Did you know that the average person spends around 20 minutes per day searching for misplaced items while traveling? That's valuable time that could be spent exploring new destinations or relaxing on vacation. If you're tired of lugging around heavy suitcases or struggling to find space for all your belongings, you're in the right place. Welcome to the channel, guys, where we're about to unveil the ultimate guide to minimalist packing with our 8 best packing tips for travel. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time adventurer, these tips will revolutionize the way you pack, ensuring you have everything you need without the unnecessary bulk. So sit back, relax, and get ready to transform your travel experience with our minimalist packing tips. Let's dive in. Starting with number 8. Make a packing list. Making a packing list before embarking on any trip is essential to ensure a smooth and organized travel experience. By creating a comprehensive list of essential items, travelers can effectively plan and pack everything they'll need for their journey. This proactive approach not only helps to prevent forgetting important items, but also ensures that nothing crucial is left behind. Overall, taking the time to create a packing list is a simple yet effective way to enhance the travel experience and ensure nothing essential is forgotten. Before we continue to the next tip on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more travel-related information through our videos. Bringing us to number 7. Pack versatile clothing. When packing for a trip, selecting versatile clothing items is key to maximizing outfit options while minimizing luggage space. Opting for pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits ensures versatility and flexibility during travel. It's helpful to stick to a cohesive color scheme or theme, making it easier to coordinate different pieces and create cohesive looks. Lightweight and wrinkle-resistant fabrics are ideal for travel, as they are easy to pack and suitable for various weather conditions. Choosing items that can be dressed up or down adds versatility, allowing for seamless transitions from day to night activities. Number 6, we have roll your clothes. Rolling clothes, instead of folding them, is a practical packing technique that offers several benefits for travelers. Not only does it save valuable space in luggage, but it also helps prevent wrinkles in clothing items. By rolling garments tightly, travelers can maximize the available space in their suitcases, allowing for more efficient packing and organization. Additionally, rolled clothes are easier to see and access within the suitcase, making it simpler to locate specific items without having to rummage through layers of folded clothing. Let's move on to number 5. Utilize packing cubes or compression bags. To further optimize your packing strategy, consider utilizing packing cubes or compression bags. These travel accessories are invaluable for maximizing space in your luggage while maintaining organization. Packing cubes come in various sizes and can be used to categorize different types of clothing or items, making it easy to locate what you need without unpacking your entire suitcase. Compression bags, on the other hand, provide an additional space-saving advantage by allowing you to compress the air out of your clothing, reducing bulk. Number 4 on our list is limit shoes. When packing for a trip, it's essential to be mindful of the space shoes can occupy in your luggage. To optimize packing space, it's advisable to limit the number of pairs you bring and choose versatile options that can be worn with multiple outfits. Opting for shoes that can serve multiple purposes, such as a pair of comfortable sneakers suitable for both walking tours and casual outings, or a pair of stylish sandals that can transition from daytime exploring to evening dinners, can help minimize the number of shoes needed. Additionally, strategically packing shoes by placing them in the corners or along the edges of your suitcase can help maximize space and prevent them from taking up unnecessary room. By being selective with shoe choices and packing them strategically, travelers can effectively manage luggage space while ensuring they have appropriate footwear for their trip. Bringing us to number 3. Pack multifunctional items. When packing for a trip, it's advantageous to prioritize multifunctional items that serve multiple purposes, helping to streamline your luggage and maximize space. For instance, a versatile sarong can be utilized as a beach towel, a scarf for chilly evenings, or even transformed into a makeshift pillow for added comfort during travel. Similarly, a lightweight jacket with removable layers can adapt to various weather conditions, serving as both a windbreaker and a warmer outer layer when needed. Packing multifunctional items not only reduces the number of individual items you need to bring, but also enhances your packing efficiency and versatility during your trip. By choosing items that can serve multiple purposes, travelers can pack smarter, lighter, and more efficiently, ensuring they have everything they need without unnecessary bulk or clutter in their luggage. Let's move on to number 2, minimize toiletries. To streamline your packing and minimize the space taken up by toiletries, consider opting for travel-sized or reusable containers that can be refilled with your favorite products. This approach allows you to bring only the amount you need for your trip, reducing bulk and saving space in your luggage. Additionally, think about whether certain toiletry items can be purchased at your destination to further minimize what you need to pack. For instance, many hotels provide basic toiletries like shampoo and soap, so you may not need to bring those items with you. By minimizing toiletries and choosing travel-sized or refillable options, you can pack more efficiently and make the most of the space in your luggage while ensuring you have everything you need for your trip. Number 1, we have leave room for souvenirs. When packing for your trip, it's wise to leave some extra space in your luggage or bring along a collapsible bag if you anticipate purchasing souvenirs or gifts during your travels. This thoughtful approach prevents overpacking initially and ensures you have room to accommodate any items you acquire along the way. By setting aside space for souvenirs, you can avoid the stress of trying to fit them into already packed luggage or having to leave behind items you'd like to bring home. Additionally, a collapsible bag provides a convenient solution for additional storage, allowing you to expand your packing capacity as needed while maintaining organization. Planning ahead and leaving room for souvenirs ensures a smoother travel experience and allows you to bring home cherished mementos from your journey. Thank you for tuning into our video on the 8 best packing tips for travel. We hope you found these tips helpful for optimizing your packing process and making your next trip a breeze. If you have any additional packing hacks or travel tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Safe travels and see you in the next video. Take care.